Assembling the pattern pages is another quick and easy process. If you elect to use an office supply store to print your designs, in most cases they will print each of them at your desired size on one sheet of paper, thus creating your final pattern at the same time. However, if you use the free DIY method, you need to assemble the sheets yourself. So, a little cutting and taping is required to assemble them into a pattern. All you need to do this are some ordinary household scissors for cutting paper, please don't use your sewing shears, and some transparent adhesive tape. Arrange the pages of the right side up master pattern and the reversed master pattern, overlapping and aligning the pages correctly. You'll need to trim the sides of some of the sheets where necessary to achieve a seamless flow of the design from one sheet to the next, but only trim selected pages to allow for easy overlapping and joining. Align the pages accurately and use transparent adhesive tape to secure them together. Now repeat the process with the reverse image, and you'll finish up with two master patterns, one the right way up and one in reverse. If you have a large project image spread over many pages, it's a good idea to number or label each page so that they don't get out of order. Hound Dog Blues is not a large pattern covering just 4 sheets, so the labelling system is easy to see and wasn't really necessary in this case. However, if your design is more complex with many smaller applique segments, it's helpful to label each applique segment with a letter or number. Label the corresponding section on the reverse pattern with the same number or letter, and this will make the construction process much easier, especially with complex designs. With your 2 master patterns, you're now ready to begin the collage process.